Hello everyone, I hope that you can hear me. This is Dan. Please indicate in the live chat you can hear me well, so I know that everything is working fine. We'll be starting shortly. So basically this small webinar will be about the new thing that we got for your lifetime deals, an upgrade for your lifetime deals. We introduced now the recurring payments and subscriptions for your plans, and we'll be going after that and a few other things that will be super exciting. So you can do now membership websites for your customers and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I think it will be pretty interesting, and I think you'll enjoy them. Let's wait, as not so many people have joined yet. Of course, there will be a replay after that. So yeah, how has been your lifetime? Websites and e-commerce have been going so far. Have you built a successful business, or have you sold to customers successfully your lifetime deals, your website that you built? Great. I guess not a lot of people are available at this time on Thursday for checking what are the amazing things that are happening to their lifetime deals, the subscriptions, the recurring ones, the recurring payments. They're available with every one of your plans. We also go and talk about the free funnels that we also introduce with your lifetime deals as a gift. So you can do funnels as well. Great, David. Are you building websites and funnels for customers? We're actually now preparing a Funnel Academy, so I will invite you to the Funnel Academy as well. Next week it should be available. It will be free. So you'll be able to learn how to build funnels. This is the easiest tool for building funnels, how to make money by building funnels and selling for customers. Of course, also websites, but the Funnel Academy will be focusing mostly on the funnels and how to grow your business around them, and how you can generate a few $1,000s a month in the first month by selling funnels and websites to your customers. So this is what we are really good at in terms of as a platform. Super simple and easy building of websites and funnels that can have everything that any customer might need, such as subscriptions, recurring payments, as you can see, building membership sites, building any type of sites of any sort, of any size, building lead generation and sales funnels for customers. Great, David. I think you'll love it, what we have here in place. So just a minute more and we can get started. Whoever is here. We'll send a replay to the others. So yeah, you can just have it in more interactional as a workshop, I guess, as not many people has joined. So you can ask your questions. You can ask questions. So we can discuss, make it more conversational. And I'll be sharing a screen in a moment. So yeah, how many lifetime deals you guys have? So have you built websites for customers yet, or just using it for personal projects? I'm really interested to know. And the other one is how many of you are interested in joining the free Funnel Academy next week? I guess nobody. Nobody's writing in the chat. Anyways, I'll invite you all. You can join if you wish or not. All right, so let's get started with the recurring payments and the subscriptions that we introduce to all the Appsumo lifetime deals. So all of you have now the subscriptions, so you can enjoy those things. That's great, Rawson. Great, awesome. Hope you all joined the. Rawson, are you talking about the Funnel Academy? The Funnel Academy will be ongoing thing, so you can join, watch the videos, join the. There will be a special group about people who are part of the Funnel Academy, and you can learn about how to build funnels and websites for your customers, how to sell those funnels and websites, how to generate recurring revenue, also how to start your own white label for those who are interested in starting their own white label. So next week that should be available with all the educational videos. We'll have also materials, not just videos. We'll have workshops every week. We'll have groups discussing growth and techniques. So it will be very, very exciting, I believe. So yeah, awesome. So a lot of you have interest in that. So I'll show you some things about the funnels now as well, if you haven't yet played around with those that you already have for free with your lifetime deals from Appsumo. So all right, let's get started. I'll show you on the go. Ask any questions, don't hesitate. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. So let's get started. So this is an example, and I'll show you how simple it is to use your memberships, your recurring payments now, subscriptions. So now in the store with your Appsumo, you get, depending on which kind of maybe you've upgraded and you have more, but with your normal lifetime deal you have 100 products, and now each of your products can be a subscription. So here we have 3 products. Obviously you can edit any of those, and you have now this option to make it a subscription. So let's go and have it for some product that is not yet a subscription. So in this case, we have a Yoga for Advanced, which is at $80. And by clicking on the subscription product new checkbox that we've introduced, you can make that payment, that price to be ongoing. So you can charge many times, for as long that the customer is paying, you can charge them, or you can make it so that it is like installments. You want to have a payment of 3 times only, X amount, instead of paying somebody the full amount for a product or service, whatever it is. So you can do it for X amount of payments, but you can have it ongoing for a normal subscription. And you can have the cycle up to 12 cycles in terms of like every month or every 12 months or every 2 months. So if it's every 12 months, obviously that's yearly. And for weekly, you can also do it every few weeks as well. But for this example, let's do it as one every month, just a normal monthly subscription. And just like that, that's it. That's all we had to do. Now we have recurring payments. But obviously there is a bit more to it, because each one of your customers who submit, subscribe, basically, they also have in their profile information about that subscription. So let's save the product and let's start selling this product inside our store. So how do we sell a product here? Obviously we can have it into the store section where a person can select, but let's do it in a slightly different way. Let's do it by when somebody clicks on a button to purchase this product. So we just can click on the edit link, click on store, and from here let's select Yoga for Advanced, and from the action, buy now. That's it. Just click on save, and that's it. Whenever somebody clicks on that button, they will go to the checkout and purchase the subscription. So let's test it out and see how it works. So we have the button, and when we click on it, we will go directly to checkout with $80 a month, which is the payment that we made as option. I'm not sure if we have actually any payment options here. We do have test Stripe, great, so we can test it out now. So we go, let's buy it. We have now 2 products, so let's just have it as one, and let's add some name to it, our password, So this is whenever you're purchasing a membership, it will create an account. So that's why it asks us to create an account with it. We can add any information here and go into the next section where we can purchase the subscription, which is in this case we can do it with test keys. And we can submit the payment. You can also do it with offline payment methods. It's no problem, but just for the sake of the example, let's do it with the Stripe and just complete the order. That's it. That's all you had to do. You just subscribe to $80 a month for the course, so your customers can do that. So now, when you do that purchase, when you go into the profile, you see that we've introduced this new section called subscriptions. So whenever somebody purchases a subscription, they will now in their profile will have this subscription area where they can manage their subscription, cancel it, or they can see when is the next billing date, the last billing date, and how much they're paying and what is the product. So it's super simple and easy. If you have actually a membership access, you have a membership section here, and I can show you in a moment how you can do a membership type of section with a subscription as well. But this is how simple it is. And yeah, you can keep track of all these things, and it's as you can see, very easy. You can do it for all the different products that you have in your store if you want to have so many recurring payments there. So let's make a membership product. So it's a bit different when it comes to access. So first of all, let's create a membership group. Okay, we have a VIP already. So let's just go back to the store, create a membership product, select the VIP. So whenever somebody buys this product, let's say for $20 a month, they will, or a week, that's entirely up to you. Let's just leave it like that. They will get access to the VIP group, and just select the category, and that's about it. So $20 a month. Click on save. Actually, let's do it just for the sake of the example. Instead of every month, let's do ongoing. Well, let's do it 3 payments of every month for this whatever it is membership. So total of $60 because 3 months we'll be charging, just to show you how it looks on the back. So we can now start selling this membership. So let's go and preview the site. Now we have the site. We can go to the store. Again, you can see all the products there. Obviously, this is the membership product that we want to buy. Add to cart, go to checkout now, and proceed to checkout. So we already, because we purchased, we have our information already stored out, and we see $20 membership access, and let's go and continue. Again, it will ask us for the cart. Just enter the cart and complete the order. And that's about it. You completed the order. You can continue shopping, or if it is membership, actually you can connect a custom thank you page to the membership product that instead of the continue to shopping can directly go inside your membership area. So obviously that's the logistical. You can just change the order of the different the flow. But anyways, when they go into their profile, for example, you see that they have now the my membership section. On the first, you have the subscription and it has the membership for $20, and the next charge is obviously 1 month from now. But as you can see now, it's one of 3 payments. So this shows that you've just purchased the first of the 3 payments, and the next month it will show second of 3 months, and then at the end it will show the third of the third payment is being paid. So this is like when you pay a few times for a specific product. But because this is a membership, you now have this button and this section which actually shows you access to all the groups that you have. So this way you can sell individual courses and have access to all of that. And this link is the link that you just set up for, I'll show you in a second because it's already open here. But basically you can click on view and you can go to your courses, because this is the link that we've linked inside our engage section. Again, for those who maybe missed, you also have the whole CRM as well, introduced and free for you and your customers using the system. The link that is for the VIP, you just do it from group settings. This is for the memberships. So whenever somebody get access, they will see the course. I mean, in this case, when they click on the link, we'll go there. When they log in, they'll go there to the first link connected to their membership group. So this is how simple it is to build a membership, membership product with a subscription, or just a service with subscription, and manage them from one place, which is being the customer's profile, and they can manage all the subscriptions, and they can have as many as they want. So really easy. Right now, this person is paying us $100 every month. And yeah, this is the new thing that we've added. Another cool thing that you can do is we've introduced, especially for memberships, if you're building membership type of websites, which is the most the use case that is most common for subscriptions, is that we've introduced the global columns. This is very new, and probably some of you have seen on our on our page. We've introduced the global columns in our Facebook page. So we've actually created it here. So you have a membership page, which is let's say this one, but let's create a new one for the sake of the example. Let's create a new page. You have memberships and courses, and you have here different designs that you can use. Let's say that we want to use, I don't know, let's say this one. Let's go with mem1, and we just created a new page that is for memberships. And this is the cool thing, because membership first name actually shows, I don't know if you've played around with the tags, with the personalization tags, but you also have this capability, but just let's change it for a customer. Actually, for details, let's change our name to Stan, me, save changes, and actually you'll see that whenever you go to our membership page, it will personalize it, because we use this tag. I mean, it can be any page. This is the personalization tag that we use, and it's available for your websites as well by going to website settings, personalization. There you can copy these system tags or create your own. And this one just takes my first name. So whenever I'm logged in and you use this inside your pages, it will actually show my personalization, which is my name. It can also use the email or the last name. So, but for this example, it uses our first name. Anyways, I wanted to share with the global columns. So this we introduced a few days ago. So when you build a lot of membership pages, you have the navigation in most cases, and it has to be able to change it on all places simultaneously. So this is what we give you the ability to do. Just click on the column and click on, this is a global column at the bottom. And from there, you can just save current content as global column. Just call it, let's say, mem1, and click on submit. That's it. That just made the whole column to be global. And now if we create a new page, and let's just duplicate this one. When you create it, again, it will come with a global column, and whatever change you do to this column, it will result in changing on the other place. So let's say that we want to call this category 1, category 2, and let's add a button for call to action. Let's say that we want to have some call to action for our navigation on the site. So they just click on save, and when you go to the previous page that we've created, you'll see that everything updated there as well. So you don't have to change it on multiple places. You can just use the global columns throughout your designs to have the same content in the same place. And you can save for as many as you want columns. Here we have a few other ones, and let me show you how it is that you can actually change over an existing column. You can just remove it, and it's not a global column anymore, and you want to use, let's say, the navigation content. You just click on yes. That will actually replace the whole content of your column with the saved content of another global column that you saved. So just like that, you've just created a new column. You can again go back to the first one just by clicking mem1 and come back there. So this is how simple it is, and I really enjoy this one. It was so tedious before to do global navigations for inside the page, but this is so easy and really fun to use. And just like that, you can create your memberships with personalization, with global navigation, with subscriptions, and with access to all these things. We also introduced the order history. I don't know if you've seen it, but you also can see the order history about the products that you've purchased. So yeah, very, very cool things, I believe, that you can use and do now with the system, a lot more than you could have done before. And yeah, these are some of the basics. Do you have any questions for the moment, or shall we I don't know, show you around a few more things about the funnels, how amazing the funnels are, because you have 3 free funnels with every lifetime deal that you have. So I want to show you those. They can really change your business, or if it is for a customer, you can change your customer's business. So let me know if you have any questions, or shall I continue with some of the funnels? And I want to show you a few different ways that you can make quite a lot of revenue. We'll be discussing that in the Funnel Academy as well. But just a sneak peek how you can monetize your, if you're using Symboly, or you want to start using it if you haven't done it before, how to make quite a lot of money, because I believe, and hopefully that you believe, this is the best funnel and website building tool on the market. And there is such a big market for this, and with your help, I think we can make it the biggest tool on the market. So yeah, we'll need your help definitely there, and we want your help with it. So if you don't have any questions, I will just show you the funnels, some of the funnels, and we can answer some other questions there. Okay, I'll start with the funnels. If you have more questions, I'll just look them up, write them anytime, and I will answer them. So the funnels, you can use the sales, the subscriptions, and all these things with the funnels. Your lifetime deals, depending if you have upgraded, you have more features, but your main one, it comes with 3 lead generation funnels. You cannot do sales with them directly into the funnel. Obviously, you can do with your e-commerce, like I showed you. You can sell as much as you want, no problem at all. So your funnels are super simple and easy. This is the easiest way to do them. So just by clicking on the funnel button here, you can see whatever funnels you have inside, and let's create a new funnel. First of all, what is a funnel? For those who don't know, funnels are nothing too special. They're pages and sometimes pop-ups connected together with a specific goal. So what is so special about the funnels? What's that hype about funnels? Basically, the idea is that funnels are so focused on a specific goal that there is no distractions, and you also get to that, it converts a lot more. Sometimes funnels convert 3 to 10, even 10 times. You have seen funnels 10 times, even more people to, for example, for leads or for sales than a normal website, because the site usually have a lot of distractions. As you can see, you have navigation, you have call to actions, you have footers and all these things, and usually your pages, like homepage or whatever page it is, it's usually there is a lot of things and a lot of again, call to actions and stuff. They're not focused on one specific thing, and the idea behind the funnel is to be focused on one thing. So let's say that we are building a lead generation funnel where we want to promote whatever it is, let's say a coupon or something that we have. So you can just click on one of the beautiful designs that we have, add a name to it, click on save, and that's it. You just added this funnel inside your website, and it can be used for a different campaign. It can be used with a header if you wish. That kind of defeats the purpose of the funnel, but still you can use it like that. And it can be for anything. In this case, it's lead generation, about getting a discount code. So this can help you get your, build your email list, and then you can start selling something to these people who opt in on this page. And as you can see, no distractions. It's all about the thing that you're promoting in this page. About, do we have sections about testimonials, about, the benefits of the product. Again, the call to action at the bottom. Of course, you can completely tailor all these pages the way you want, with the drag and drop, with positioning of all the different things. So no problem. You can do all these things all by yourself. You can also click on the funnels button and you'll see all the pages, all the steps that you have inside. In this case, we have a landing page and a promo. Of course, you can add another step and you can build as big as a funnel as you want. But keep it so that it follows the flow from step to step to step. The beautiful thing about the lead generation funnels are obviously focused on generating leads, promoting something, but also you can do A/B testing. You just can click on the A/B test, duplicate the page or create a new one from scratch or from a template. If you want to duplicate it, just like that. You now have A/B testing. You couldn't do this with any website building tool, but you can do it here and now. And now in this B version, we can change, let's say, the heading, we can change the colors, the images, we can have a video instead. And when we preview here, we might see that this B version with a different video, with a different headline, that can convert, let's say, 2 times more people. That is the percentage here. That shows how many people have converted from this step into the next one, meaning that they submitted the form and went to the promo code page, which is like a thank you page, get your code. So this is something so powerful, yet you cannot do with any website building tool. And here we introduce it in such a simplistic way that can generate you a lot more leads and sales, but that's for the sales funnels. So this is so great. You can set up goals, you can share the funnels, you can add code to it, just like a normal mini website, and have analytics about that, etc. So it's really powerful, and you can build 3 of those with each one of your lifetime deals. Under the website, you can have 3 of those sharing the same things. So all the leads and everything will be coming directly into your Engage section. If you haven't played around with the Engage, it's really easy. So for example, we have this funnel that we have built. And so when we submit this form, let's just submit the form. And yes, I want to receive the discount code. Obviously, we go to the next step. And we will see that that created automatically a new contact for us. So this is available at every funnel and every website. All the leads come here. You can see all the messages that are being submitted. So it is so easy to use now. Everything it's like connected between each other in super simple and seamless way. And you can build 3 funnels like this for whatever promotional things you want to do, and a website with unlimited pages, subscriptions now, e-commerce, and it's all available for you. So I really would like, if you haven't yet used or using your website, this is something that you usually have to pay like $50 to $100 somewhere else to have subscriptions, to have e-commerce, to have funnels. That's on its own costs like $100 a month. And you can do them for free with this tool. So I really just want you to use the tool and hopefully become our affiliates someday and refer people and just start making money with the tool as well. So obviously the funnels are amazing for sales as well. The sales though are not available with the lifetime deal, the normal one. But we have the upgrade, so some of you already upgraded on Black Friday or our Black Friday in June as well, where they were able to upgrade to the exclusive or the exclusive plus or the agency plans. So with those you can build individuals, more websites with your deals, more funnels, and connect actually custom domains to each one. But I will show you here again why these funnels, and if you decide you can upgrade, is how you can use these funnels and this website to generate revenue for yourself and for the others. So with the Growth Plus or the Appsumo Growth Plus, which is $37, or the agency, which comes with unlimited funnels and 10 websites, you basically can build here in this section. You can build here you can build 30 funnels for 30 individual projects or 30 individual customers. To each funnel you can connect a custom domain, just like a website. That funnel can be for subscription, for generating for memberships. For, let's say, a coach who's doing memberships, you can set up that for such kind of a customer. You can bill them a few $100s a month, because this is something that is really expensive to do anywhere, and you can basically be profitable from one customer. And you can do that for 30 customers, for unlimited customers if you're an agency, or you can get extra 2 websites or extra 9 websites with the growth in the agency, or with the growth or the agency plans. So let me just share with the sales funnels why they're so amazing, because I want you to see that as well. So the sales funnels are this one. The difference with the lead generation is that the step is where you actually purchase something. And let's make it with let's say with this clock. So we have the clock. Let's go with the clock funnel. And this clock funnel will be selling 2 products. Usually the funnels are great for 1 or a few products, not like hundreds of products, because the idea is to be focused on, let's say that you're doing a campaign for you have 100 items of this clock. You want to sell this clock in a campaign. So you put a Facebook ad, instead of just sending them to let's say to your page on your website where it has so many different products and distractions and all these things. You can have an amazing sales pitch with some scarcity, with discount, with really nice call to action, with a few variation, with happy customers. You cannot do that with a normal page usually. So you can make this, and the next step, obviously this one, is to encourage the person to get and buy this product when they land on it. As you can see, no distractions, no headers, no whatsoever. And then when they go on the next step, this is the checkout. So they can purchase this product right away. There is no add to cart, there is no like carts and next step and so on and so on. They can do it here and there right away. This is the great thing about the funnels, and this is why our partners have anywhere from 3 to 6 times more sales when they do funnels and when they promote funnels for their customers. 3 to 6 times. This is insane, and it really works. So you just select what kind of a product you want to sell, or you can have it as add to cart. So from the previous step, a person can just add to cart and just purchase it here, whatever product they added. But let's do it with let's say that you are selling a physical product, whatever the physical product is, and let's do it in one step. So here the checkout widget allows you to do a lot of modifications. You can do it with 1 step, with 2 steps. You can fully customize the looks of your the looks of your form, show order summary, or show there is a lot of customization. I will not go into too much details. And you have different settings and so on, etc. So you can do all these things. You can also do upsells. So you can do a bump offer. Bump offers, for example, you're buying this physical product, but do you want to buy a membership as well, for example, or batteries for the clock? I don't know, just something like that. You add some title, description, and so on, and you're adding a bump offer that is here that you see. It is an optional purchase of something to our product, just like that. And just like that, we've made obviously a pretty long checkout, but the idea is that you customize everything about it. And here obviously we have another step, which is the thank you. And another cool thing is that you can also do one-click upsells and downsells. We have a whole video about it, but let me just show that as well. Is that whenever somebody purchases this product, you can actually upsell them with 1 click without them having to add any information to purchase the next product. So let's say that we want to upsell them another clock for 50%. Buy now, for somebody else. And you can select one of those amazing designs that we've made for upsells. So you actually have a clock one. So let's just use this one. And just let's say upsell. It's very in line with what we are doing now. And here, as you can see, it pops up the option to select the upsell product. Then just another physical product, and you can actually override the price. So I don't know how much we charged for the previous one, but you can charge, let's say, only $19. You can purchase this clock again instead of the 1,009. Just for the example, it doesn't matter. And we can obviously hide here the footer and the header. And in this case, we have two upsells, but we just set it up for this one. And let's not bother with the other one. But we can actually have the other one as a downsell. So you can add, if somebody clicks on no thanks, they can actually go into the other step, which is downsell. But let's just do it with one by one. Let's do it with landing, with checkout, with an upsell. So yeah, let's go into the whole process and purchase this clock. So we have, the clocks. Okay, awesome clocks. This is a great sales funnel. We understand so much about it. We want to purchase it. We add our information, shipping. If we have shipping, we just have to obviously enter our billing info to purchase it. So this is the great thing. We can have all sorts of different things here that are pushing the person to purchase the product. We can add the upsell, which is the bump offer. Okay, let's buy a membership as well. Or yeah, let's just leave it without the membership. Shipping, total. And let's complete the order, purchasing this physical product for $10 in this case. And as you can see, we'll go now to the upsell. So now we have the option to buy the upsell products with one click. So we just added this second product, and with one click, that will automatically buy this product. No entering of any checkout or anything like that. So we just click on it buy now, and that's it. We just purchase it. Thank you for your purchase. That was all. So now if we go into our funnel, we'll see all information about that sale. First of all, we'll see we have on this checkout step, we have one purchase for $10. Then we have another purchase for $19, which was the upsell that we had, that we set up at $19 as an override price. And when we go to the sales, we'll see we have one sale for $29, which contains the $10 first product and $19 upsell. So this is the great thing about the sales funnels, is that you increase your order value, because in normal case you just bought a $10 product. In this case, we just increased it to $29 because we had a one-click upsell at the upsell step. You can see here now the products. So we sold one product. You can see information about the order, or you can just see more details when you go to the store. And you can see what kind of products you've sold. In this case, we sold 2 of the physical products. And here you can see about the upsells. So you can see that we have one upsell, 100% upsell, meaning that we landed once, we bought once. So we have 100% success, which is, woohoo, obviously amazing. So yeah, this is a small sales funnel that works like a charm. You have the upsells, you have the bump offers, you have all this customization and no distraction. That's why it really sells 3 to 6 times. This is with our partner though, who's only selling sales funnels to their customers, and they charge like crazy for those funnels, because the value of this, as you can see, is immense. You can set it up such funnel for somebody selling clocks, and they can increase their sales like with, let's say, with $2,000 this month, just because they're using your funnels. You can easily charge them, let's say, for the setup a few $100, and let's say $200 a month. Yes, for one funnel, because that funnel actually generated them $2,000 more in sales. It's no brainer because it actually works. So this is a small example, and this is the power of the sales funnel. The sales funnel is available for those who are in the growth or the pro or the agency plans or the exclusive plans that we had in the Black Friday. So if you want to use those for selling, the great thing is that to each one of these funnels, you can actually connect a domain. So this clock funnel that we created for a customer, you can actually connect a custom domain. You can have its own integrations, connect with email campaigns or whatever. All the leads come to its own CRM. So a complete tool, a complete funnel for a customer. So that's why in this title of this video was that, in this webinar was that we'll also show you a few ways how you can make a lot of money by selling funnels, because this is I don't know, have you played with any other tool that is so easy? I don't think there's anything that even comes close to selling so easy, or to just creating any pages and having actual results for your business. So that's a great thing, that you can sell these things, and they sell quite easily. And you can sell for, it really depends. It's a question how much I can charge for those funnels that I set up. It really depends on the use case of a customer. In some cases, you might create a funnel that is simple for lead generation for a small business that is basically 2 pages. That you can charge, let's say, $9. Even in some cases, you might give it away for $5. But because you have so many of them with the growth or the with the growth or the pro plan or the agency plans, you can make, with the growth where you have 30 funnels, basically you can make, depending on, of course, how much you charge, you can make like $600 to a few $1,000s a month by sending those funnels. If you charge for these 30 funnels, let's say on average $20, obviously you'll make like a $600 for these 30 funnels. And obviously you can sell those 3 sites as well, so that's on top of that. But if you're doing like sales funnels like this for the clock that generates really nice revenue, you can easily sell for like $50 a month, which is again under the industry standards. Because if you want to do a good funnel, first of all, there is no places, in my opinion, to do good funnels. But let's say ClickFunnels, not really good tool. It's $97 for just 20,000 visitors, and that's just $97. That doesn't even have half of the features that you get here. And you can easily charge $50. Customer would be happy, and this way you can make like a few $1,000s every month of recurring revenue, because you're selling these free funnels with the growth plan. Or here you even get even a lot more, where you get unlimited funnels and 10 websites. And they all come with the subscriptions, with the upsells and downsells, with the checkouts, and all these things are coming with these plans. The growth for all the Appsumos, if you haven't upgraded, is $37 instead of the $60 that we usually charge. This is a special fee for you, so you can go into your billing and just upgrade if you want. This is of course optional. If not, you can just play around and take advantage of the things that you get with the lead generation funnels, with the subscriptions for your store and for your customers. So if you don't really want to to build funnels for sales and have more funnels and actually generate some revenue, it's no problem. You don't have to upgrade. But this is for those who want to be able to do funnels like the clock one, with the one-click upsells, with the bump offers, that you can sell these funnels for customers. You can upgrade to one of those plans. I think they're super valuable, and really a plan like this on any other platform, first of all, there is no other platform in my opinion that you can do all these things in such an easy way, would cost like $300 to $500 a month, for less for a lot less. So how you can take advantage if you want to start selling funnels? How do you actually view your customers? Let's say you're selling $20 a month for these funnels. How do you actually start building my customers? So we've created a few templates for that. So first of all, you can just create you can build a membership website where you can have all that. But let me show you here. We have a few examples of pages and actually funnels that you can start selling your funnels. So if you build a funnel for a customer and you want to charge them, you can actually build one of the checkout. Actually, where they are, I guess we can go into our main website. How you can start? So you can you can be in your website where you're promoting your services. You can create a new page that is dedicated for billing customers for the funnel. So we have a category here with, for example, this is a page where you can actually show your pricing plans. So let's say that you want to sell a lead generation funnel for, let's say, $19 a month, and a sales funnel for $40 a month. So we've created this landing page where you can sell this all these services to your customers. We actually have a whole funnel for it. That is here. That is a whole funnel. So when you create a new funnel, you'll see this this option, the growth option, where you can actually create a whole funnel sales. Let's go with selling funnels, and you can create such funnel with, for example, a landing page where they can select a plan. Then on the next step, they can actually purchase it. So we have the checkout widget again with connected subscription. We just connect the subscription plan that we, let's say, the $19 like I showed you for subscription, and they can purchase it. Of course, always offer 90 days money back guarantee, or you can just send them directly into this checkout page so that they can submit their payment for their funnel. So this way, basically, you can sell all the 30 funnels that you have for, let's say, even $19 a month. You'll make 600. If you sell some of the sales, because you can sell those a lot more, you would sell like you can easily sell like $2,000 those 30 funnels easily. Of course, for the agency, you can sell a lot more. So yeah, however, you can join one of those options. Yeah, so this is how simple it is. We made it so that you have these great templates. We're also building now a whole new set of designs for pages, for landing pages where you can promote your stuff, checkouts where you can sell your funnels and sell anything actually. So you have these great designs for checkouts using again the checkout widget. But yeah, here are a few designs, for example, for promoting your funnel building tool or promoting your website and funnel building tool, a combination of both, which I think are pretty good. We'll be having them in an actual funnel or an actual website that you can create these days. By the end of this week, we'll make sure that all these designs are actually stitched up into actual funnels and websites. Currently they're just page designs that you can create from a new page, but you can see it talks about the services, the funnel creation. In this case, the idea is that people connect with you and you discuss their project, for example, and you can sell them on using the funnels, building a funnel for them and then charging them whatever you desire. So we have a whole set of strategies prepared. This is usually for our white label partners, but you can also take advantage of these things. I'll send you a link to all of this with the Funnel Academy, so you can learn about the one-on-one calls, how to set up a funnel for one-on-one calls, what are some of the things and benefits that you should discuss on one-on-one calls with a customer. We also have a whole script, about the things that you can do for the customer with the funnel and the website. This is again for those who are wanting to build funnels and websites for customers and selling them and generating this amazing income. I think it is very possible because we have partners who are already doing it and selling like crazy. And you saw how easy it is. It really is amazing too. And with your help, I think we can conquer the funnel and website building space, and we should all get a little bit rich doing that. And we have the amazing affiliate as well. We have 35% profit sharing from anything that is coming through your affiliates. But again, this is if you promote somebody to build a project. But if you're building funnels and websites for customers, I think you can generate so much more this way. Because you actually ensure the creation of an amazing funnel for a customer, and you can charge premium for that. And even charging $9, that would generate you $300 basically. So it is insane value. You cannot find anything like that anywhere. We have other things such as, for example, how to find your first customers. It's great. You're discussing, okay, you can sell this Awesome. But how do you actually find my customers? So obviously there's so many different ways. There is paid ways, there is free ways. Here we discuss about the free ways. We have a whole video about it. We also share these videos on the Funnel Academy. We also have this available for all our white label partners, but finding people in your current network, in immediate network, connecting with, people who, have some kind of a business, set up a funnel for them, show them how amazing it is, and sell it to them. Cold messaging on Facebook, on LinkedIn to get the attention of businesses. Obviously, I have to contact a lot of people to get some results, but it works as well. We have some great results in partners and actually with ourselves. Business on Google Maps. This is actually a pretty cool strategy. So if you want to build sites or funnels for a specific market, you can just find on Google Map businesses in a specific niche. Let's say beauty salons is your target. So you just find beauty salons in your city, for example, or in your block. That means that these businesses are aware that they need some online presence. They might have a website, they might not have a website. You can engage with them, tell them, I've set up a small website for you, or a small page as a funnel with their, just their logo, for example, or just name of the brand, a few messages about or images about their business. That's it. No more than 5 minutes. It doesn't take more than that. And you can share that and you can show them, okay, this can be your page where you can get more leads to a business. You can get more sales if they're selling something. Voila, it's probably going to result in a customer. You can charge whatever you wish because it uses your free sites or your free website or your free funnels. So it's a cool way. It's a really, really cool way. There is another strategy that we also discussed where you can actually give away a funnel or a website for free for, let's say, a month so that they can see the results. And then when they see, let's say, that they get $200 or $500 or even $1,000 of sales, the next month you say to them, okay, you want to continue using your funnel, pay $200. That's it. They'll be happy because they didn't make $1,000 last month. Now they do $1,000. So this is a cool way. There is a few messages here that you can send about this. I don't want to go into much details. I don't want to bore you too much, but all these things are made into videos already. They will be part of the Funnel Academy as well. But there is different ways to do that. Different scripts, materials such as these slides that you can use, for example, when you're doing one-on-one calls with potential customers about the funnels, about the services that you provide. It's an amazing new way how to close potential customers. But I talked so much, so let's answer some of your questions. And maybe show you some other things if you have more things to ask about. Great job on the features. Thank you, Rose. Thank you for keeping with the product, making it better. Thank you, David. I'm always confused about what different plans are. So we have so you can do that in our pricing page on our website. But you can also see it if you click on your billing. If you go to your billing, not in this case, but if you go into your billing, you can click on change plan and you'll see the pricing plans. This is not accurate. This is from a white label that for the presentation. But if you click on change plan, you will see the different options that you have for upgrades. In your case, if you are on the normal lifetime deal, you have two plans. Which are the growth and the agency, which are $37 and $99 a month. What you get is 3 sites instead of 1, and get 30 funnels that can be used for 30 individual customers with unlimited products, unlimited pages, with all the subscriptions that you saw, the upsells, the one-click upsells, and downsells, the bump offers. All these things are available with these plans, and you can use them to generate an amazing revenue for yourself. So yeah, these are the plans that are available as upgrades right now for all Appsumos, and they're quite a lot of discounted from our original pricing. So it's a special deal for lifetime deal members. Thanks, Nicolas. Will there ever be a lifetime deal to white label? No, sadly there will be no lifetime deals for the white label. What is the white label for those who don't know? It's just what this demo was made on. This is actual lifetime. It's a white label platform. This one our demo platform. Basically, the white label allows you to have your own branding. Everything happens under your own domain. So these are for those who want to promote their services and maybe promote a funnel building tool or a website building tool, and everything to happen under their own brand instead of promoting simply. You also get partnership discount anywhere from 35 to 55% discount. So you have great profit margins. So it is the perfect thing for any agency, for any freelancer or SaaS company, anybody who is interested in building sites and funnels for customers, or to provide your own do-it-yourself solution. So we already have a different call on that. I don't want to discuss it all that much, but yeah, if you want to have your own branded platform, you can do that with the white label. With integration options, are there autoresponders? Yes, we have autoresponders. You can find them in website settings under applications. So there you can currently we have ActiveCampaign connected here. You can connect MailChimp and get response. We're just finishing on our Zapier and a few more native integrations such as Aweber, MailerLite, and a few more. So you'll be able to connect on top of MailChimp, Get Response, and ActiveCampaign with Zapier and the other native ones. But we'll be working in October, probably we'll be starting to work on our own email marketing tool, autoresponder. So you'll be able to also do campaigns here as well. So that's kind of exciting thing as well, but that's later this year. Okay, what integrations? I'd like to join the Funnel Academy next week. Awesome, John. That would be great to having you there. I think I've sent a link. Yes, we have in our Facebook group for those who haven't signed up for the Funnel Academy. You can learn a lot of things. So if you join our Facebook group, if you haven't, you'll see the link there where you can get notified. But again, I will invite you all for the Funnel Academy. Don't worry. It is going to be free of charge, absolutely free of charge. There will be education about starting your own website for a business. So all the things that you have to consider, not just about building the website, but about figuring out what exactly do you need, how to identify your target market, a few files and documents that can help you grow your business online. Then we'll be discussing about, again, building the pages, building the website from top to bottom, design things, design tips and tricks that you will learn there. So it will be very useful for that as well. The next section would be about funnels. So how to build your funnels, how to build your sales funnel. So the Funnel Academy the general thing will be about funnels, but still be about websites and white label as well. So all the things about the funnels, about the sales, the different types of sales funnels, the webinar type of funnels, the lead generation, memberships, how to build all these things. It will be separated into different sections. Then how to find your customers for selling funnels, and there will be a great also promotions being when you're joined in the Funnel Academy. We'll have a whole group about it, so you can also take advantage of this community that we'll be building with the Funnel Academy as well. So it will be very, very exciting. Hi, is there a way to have a separate payments accounts, 1 to 2 steps check on different funnels? Absolutely. So each funnel, when it is separated from let's say this is one website inside. So when you have so with a lifetime deal, you have one website and 3 funnels. These 3 funnels can be only inside the website, but if you're on the growth or the agency plan, you can actually have these funnels standalone with individual domain connected to each one of them, and that means that you can connect a Stripe to each one of them. You can connect a MailChimp for a different customer to each one of them. So let's say this funnel that is called Funnel Genius name. So this is a standalone funnel. this, it goes, here in the name it says funnel. When you click here, it's not inside the website, it's not in one of the folders. So to this funnel you can connect a domain, just like a normal website. Basically this has almost no difference than a website when it comes to these 30 funnels and unlimited funnels, because you can connect a domain. You can, as you can see, there is no active campaign here because this is it's not inside the website, so you can connect your own active campaign for the customer. You can connect a different stripe to that customer. All the engagement, all the leads will be completely different for that funnel, so just like a normal website. So basically here you get 33 websites if you want, or here you get unlimited websites if you want, because a funnel can have all these capabilities. The only thing that it doesn't have is the global header, the funnel, and the global footer, and the block. These are the only two things that you basically don't have, because the funnel, the idea behind the funnel is not to have a header. But with that said, you can also have a header if you just add a container, and inside the container you just build out your header with a menu widget, with the logo, etc. If you want, I personally do not like this type of funnels, but if you want, you can just make it like a website. That's entirely up to you. So yeah, my opinion, the funnels should be used as a funnel, not just as a website. But again, that's entirely up to you. You can do whatever you want. PySync and Integromat also. So you will, with the Zapier integration this month, we'll be introducing our webhooks. The webhooks will enable you to send information and receive information from, for example, from Integromat. So you'll be able to connect with Integromat. So your form with a webhook connected to Integromat, and Integromat send it to whatever application you want. So you should be able to do that this month with the webhooks. How about Integromat? Yeah, so yeah, I think I answered that. At some point, probably will be also introduce an Integromat integration, just like Zapier. Will multiple language come? Yes, we had to postpone it because of all these things that we are doing for funnels and whatnot. But yes, we'll be doing the multiple languages. At the moment, how you can do it, you can just clone the website, translate it, and connect it to a subdomain. Let's say if it's Spanish, or just some kind of a subdomain .domain.com, and you have the other language. This is the workaround at the moment. It's not the best way to do it, but it works. But yes, we'll be introducing an option to have multiple languages and multiple currency at some point. We'll be preparing a whole new store update as well. Later, probably next month, we'll be introducing that. We're working now on new widgets. We're actually today should be uploading with the new button settings. So you'll be able to add second line, an icon, and a third button here. So right now it wasn't very pretty if you want to add two buttons next to each other, but right now it will be able with the new button settings. But we'll be building new widgets such as tabs, accordions, tables, new slider. The dot slider is not my favorite, so we'll be building brand new sliders and shape dividers as well. So instead of having these horizontal lines, you'll be able to do like some crazy ones. So that's also coming this month. Yeah, this month should be having that. Hopefully, we'll do our best to have the undo redo as well this month, so you can do back if you mess up something with your design. Yeah, these are some of the things that we are coming. Hope that you enjoyed the funnels. Hope that you enjoyed the subscriptions. I think they're amazing, and you now have them available. You have 3 normal funnels in every lifetime project. So one website with 3 funnels. You can do subscriptions for all the products. You can sell memberships. I showed you how you can use the global columns to do global, whatever you wish, global content, and for your membership type of dashboards, and the amazing upgrades if you want to take advantage of the funnels, the amazing funnels, which are so good. The example with the clock that I did with the upsells and downsells, this is I think by far the easiest ways to do sales of any sort in a such easy way that with your help we can take this market by storm. But we really need your help. So it will be really amazing if any of you can become an affiliate. Again, we give you 35% of all the sales that are coming through you. Of course, you can just upgrade and build out your own funnels, your own websites, and generate amazing revenue for yourself. This is even better for you. So I hope that you enjoy them. We'll keep on updating the platform for you so you can enjoy them and build amazing sites for yourself, for your business, for your customers. And I hope that you enjoyed all these things. So if you don't have any questions, maybe we should wrap it up. We just passed the 1 hour mark. Of course, there will be a replay of this. So if you came up to this webinar late, don't worry, we'll have a whole replay about all these things. I'll send it by email, so don't worry about it. But yeah, hope that you enjoyed and play around. Please, I hope that you really make a lot of money with this. Even if you don't upgrade, don't worry, just make a lot of money with the subscriptions. Your customers. This is great for us when we see that people are actually building beautiful sites and generating revenue. This makes us happy that we build a product that people actually not just use, but actually make them successful. That's why actually we build this whole funnels, the whole keep on improving the platform, because yes, our dream has always been to build something that people from all over the world are using. But then the dream has changed. We want not just people to use it, but to actually be successful while using it. That's why we introduced this simplistic of sales, the A/B testing, to ensure that you have the easiest way to be successful online. Because 9 out of 10 businesses are fading online. They just, after the first 2 years, they're gone because they're not able to address the market. They're not able to promote their products. They're not able to close the people that are coming into their sites. So there is obviously a big problem, and we do our best to solve it. And I think we've done the closest to a problem solver as anybody has done. But now we just need the power of you as supporters, our backers through the past 2 years who helped us get to where we are, to just build your funnels, build your websites. If you feel like upgrade and start making money for yourself, or just become an affiliate, bring people to the Funnel Academy, or bring people to the builder itself. You will also be able to refer people to the Funnel Academy, and people who sign up there, you get commission on that too. So but I'll have a whole thing about it, and when we introduce the Funnel Academy, about bringing customers and people to make something really viral, and people to start learning about funnels and start learning about building beautiful sites that are actually making sales, making leads, generating leads for their business. Okay, enough said. If you don't have any questions, that will be all for today. Hope that you enjoyed it. And it doesn't seem that there is any questions, so thank you all for the attention. Thank you for coming in, and speak to you next week with the Funnel Academy, and hope that all of you, I see them there, and to make something really big together. All right, thank you so much, and thank you for the attention. Bye bye.